Welcome, Mama, to your ab rehab diastasis recti exercises post-baby core recovery. I'm Liel, Cheri, pre- and postnatal specialist, and I'm passionate about helping moms to get in shape during and after pregnancy to get you strong, fit, and sassy. If you're new here, make sure to save my ab rehab playlist and practice it every day so you can get amazing results in a short time. You can even find their fun videos to heal diastasis recti that you can do with your baby. As well, hit that subscribe and the bell so you won't miss any new videos of mine that I share every single week to get you strong, fit, and sassy. All right, also make sure to take an advantage of my free ebook that I've created for moms on how to heal diastasis recti with all the tips and tricks and everything you need to know about how to heal your core post baby. You can find the link in the description down below. Okay, so in this video, I'm sharing with you a 12-minute super burning practice that you can do anytime and everywhere. So no excuses, mama. Alrighty, without any further ado, let's get into our practice to get you strong core, heal your diastasis recti, and flatten your tummy. Woo! Alrighty, mamas, so we've got today 12 exercises. We're going to do each exercise for 45 seconds on, and we're going to take 15 seconds break in between. I want you the entire practice to bring awareness and focus on engaging your deep core muscles by driving your navel in towards the lower back and really feeling your deep core activating. All right, so let's begin in tabletop position. Come onto your knees hip distance apart. Bring your arms onto the floor, shoulders on top of your wrist. Right away, draw the navel in towards your lower back. Really activate and engage your core. Let's begin with extended right arm, left leg. Place it back down and switch. And down. Moving really slow and mindfully. Pay attention to your core. You can always place one hand to your tummy and check it in. Can you engage a little bit more? And now bring awareness to your breath. Inhale, extend. Exhale, lower. Inhale, extend. Exhale, lower. Bring your arm and leg up to shoulder and hip height. No need to lift it higher. Alrighty, nice. Take a break. Breathe in into your tummy. Exhale it out. Side plank next. So drop down to your forearm. Lift your hips nice and high. Hand on top of your hip. Begin with core activation. Draw the navel in and towards your lower back. And we're gonna do micro dips. Lower and lift. Lower, lift your hips as high as you can. If you need to modify, you can lower down to your bottom knee. Working our obliques. Our obliques helping us to bring that core back together and heal our linea alba, the connective tissue that is holding our six packs together. Good. Slowly lower. Take a breath in. Let it out. And we're going to switch side. Find your core engagement, hand on your hip and micro dips. Lift high. As you lift, I want you to squeeze that oblique. breathe. Make sure you move with the breath. Lift higher. Hips higher. Ooh, such a good burn. Lift, hold, and lower. Beautiful. Now, through the side to protect your core, flip onto your back and find your abdominal bracing. Glue the lower back into the mat. And we begin to march. March. Constantly trying to squeeze that navel in towards your lower back. So really feeling strong activation, strong engagement. No need to rush with your movement. Just marching. Like you're walking in a lying position. Very good. And breathe. One more. Place your feet down. Place the hand onto your tummy. Breathe in. Out. Glue that lower back into the mat. Engage your core. Bring the legs into tabletop, knees on top of your hips. Toe taps. Stop one toe and then the other. Try to keep your knees right on top of your hips. That will give you a little bit more burn. If it's challenging, you can bring your knees closer towards your chest. Avoid any doming or coning in your tummy. You can place a hand on your tummy or lift your head and take a look. Think about navel down in towards your lower back and lower back glued to the mat. Very nice. Place your feet down, hand onto your tummy. Breathe in into your tummy. Let go. Again, glue that lower back into the mat. Lift your legs, double toe tap. Both toes and up. Both toes and up. Pay attention to your core. If you notice any coning or doming, just repeat alternating toe taps. Woo! What a good burn! If you don't feel it, you have to squeeze that lower back into the floor and activate your core. You're supposed to feel a really good fire. Move slow, then slower you move, the more you feel the activation of your transverse abdominis. One more. Place your feet down. Breathe in into your tummy. Let it out. Come back into tabletop. Find that core engagement. And we're gonna do 3 parts leg extension. Extend the leg, lower down, bring it up, rebend, switch, extend, lower down, lift, rebend. We're turning on our lower abs here. Again, pay attention to your core. No doming or coning. Move slow. You have to move slow to ignite that deep core. Feet down to the mat. Hands on your tummy. Breathe in into your tummy. Exhale. Very nice. Bring those legs back into tabletop. Glue the lower back into the mat, and I want you to open your arms into a T. Wind shield wipers. Drop the knees to one side. Bringing to center, and as you're bringing to center, glue that lower back to the mat. Drop to the other side, working our obliques. Bring it back to center, glue. drop to the right, center, drop to the left, and center. Moving mindfully with your breath. Last one. Very nice. Place your feet down through the side. I want you to come up, get ready into reverse plank. Hands behind you, fingers pointing towards your tush. You're gonna lift up, squeeze that core, and lower. Lift up, point your toes, gaze up, and lower. As you're lifting up, engage your core. Navel towards the lower back. Very nice. Are you sweating yet, mama? Woo! Lift those hips higher. Let's do one more. Very nice. Next, side plank, hugs, and crunch. Get yourself ready. Lift up into a side plank, extend the arm to the sky. We will begin with a hug, hugging your ribs, then lift up and give me a side crunch. You can do the same with one of your knees down if you need more balance and stability. Lift your hips as high as you can. Remember, you have to show up for yourself to see results. If you're gonna do one practice a week, forget about seeing results. You have to come back to this at least 3 to 5 times per week to heal your diastasis recti. Lower down, and then let's move it to the other side. The more you do, then faster you're gonna see results. Get ready, arm up to the sky. Give yourself a hug, hug your ribs. Side crunch. Lift your hips higher. Engage your core. Even here, you have to squeeze that deep core. You got this, mama. Good job. Keep going. No matter how challenging it is, if it won't challenge you, it won't change you. So embrace the challenge. You're doing a great job. We have last exercises. We're going back onto our hands and knees, tabletop, and bear crawl hold. Tuck your toes under, lift your knees, round your upper back. And I want you only to focus on driving your navel in towards your lower back and really engage that damn core. Breathe. If you need to place your knees down for a second, put it down, then bring them back up. You got this, mama. Breathe and smile. Good job. Come on, 2, 1. Knees down. Let's take a child's pose to stretch and slow down the breath. Take a deep, long breath in and out. One more. Breathe in. Let it out. Lift your gaze, slowly Roll yourself up into a seated position. Reach the arms up to the sky, gathering all the beautiful energy around us. Exhale, plug it right into your heart. One more, just like that. Inhale. Exhale. Close your eyes for a moment and thank yourself for creating time in your busy mom schedule to show up for yourself, to take care of yourself. And repeat after me. Good job, mama. You've got this. Take a breath in. Let it out. Open your eyes and big applause. Good job, mama. I'm so proud of you. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about this practice? Did you break a little sweat? Did you feel your core firing? Again, make sure to save a Rehab playlist so you can come back to practice every single day. No excuses. These are short practices that are gonna give you real and amazing results. Be patient with yourself. Let go of expectations. Just show up for yourself, do the work, and you will see magic happening on its own. If you did enjoy this practice, remember to like this video and also share it with your mama friend. Sharing is caring. If you have any questions, any suggestions, anything that you would like to say, please share it with me in the comments below. Let me know where you're from and how old is your little one. Do you have one child or maybe 10? And I love connecting with you. I love reading your lovely comments. And I guess I'll see you in the next video. From my heart to yours. God bless you. Good job, mama.
Hey mama, I know how frustrating and intimidating it could be to get back into shape after having a baby. I'm here to help you to get the best and healthiest results possible while saving you time and having fun reaching your goals. I've created a core and pelvic floor restore club program for all moms that are trying to get rid of mommy tummy, heel weak pelvic floor, leakage, back pain, poor posture, diastasis recti, and so you can have fun with your kids jumping, running, sneezing, and laughing, all without peeing your pants. Check the link in the description box or the first comment down below to find out more. Also, let's get connected on Instagram so I can inspire you to move your body more frequently so you can feel your best every single day. I look forward to connecting with you. Namaste.